I think it's a team effort. But also we are able to change the position, change the player, and then everyone is able to play well, especially from the south set. Because we know they also preparing our outside hitter, and then to dispute this area, because that's also our planning from the south set, from the fourth set. Because every time our passing going to zone 4, and then also setting point outside. So opponent is already adjust. So we just change the rotation to maximize using AD. So exactly like gym effort today.
Thank you, Coach. And for Ellie, so yung best player of the game with 19 points. Ellie, personally, paano lang ba yung naging motivation mo para matulungan yung team na makuha ito?
Nag-stick lang ako sa system ni Coach Taka, and syempre yung tiwala din ng teammates ko na sige basta paluin mo lang tayo, kami na bahala mag-cover. Yun yung nag-boost din sa akin na sige papaluin ko lang basta andyan naman sila nakaalalay.
Thank you. And for Ivy, you had 28 points in this game against Galleries, and sa mga sets, ikaw din yung naging panapos for the team. Personally lang, paano mo tinatrabaho yung ganda na parang kailangan mo talaga maging consistent for a while?
Yan po, yung sinabi po ni Coach Taka na team effort talaga siya, and kasi po kanina parang sinasabihan mo ako ng teammates ko na paluin mo lang, gano'n, huwag kang matakot, ganyan. So parang syempre doon din po, nabubus ako, and siguro nung dumating po kami sa fourth set, tapos naman po kami, kasi syempre, tinabaho na po namin hanggang doon. So parang mindset ko lang po na sa amin to. Ayun po, kaya siguro.
Thank you.
For Ivy and Ellie, alam naman natin yung Galleries galing sa malaking panalo. Qualifying round. Kumbaga sa inyo, nakita naman kanina na pinush kayo sa 5 sets. Kumbaga paano nyo lang kinompose yung mga sarili nyo para makuha yung game 1?
Tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, pinaghugutan na talaga namin yung isa't isa, and yun yung sinabi ni Ivy nga na sa loob, pag nag-huddle kami, ang sinasabi namin, atin to, papanalo natin to para hindi na din tayo mahirapan kasi pinaghirapan natin to sa training na sobra, grabe yung training namin. So, yun. Nagbunga naman siya today.
Sa akin po siguro, syempre, doon po kami babalik. Yung hirap bago po kami napunta dito. Kasi kung alam niyo lang po, gano'n. And ayun po, siguro, inisip lang po namin na gagawin po namin itong larong to para sa kasama po namin. Kasi lahat po kami nagtulungan talaga, magsimula po sa management, coaches, and teammates, gano'n. Kaya wala po talagang nag-iwanan. Lalo na po ngayon, kahit na po nagkakaroon po kami ng mga pain sa katawan, ganyan. Talagang tiyaga po. And meron pong papalit dun sa posisyon na yun, na ready po.
Ivy, last conference nyo, nakaabot kayong finals sa playoff run, ulit kayo ngayon. So, tingin mo ba this conference mas kompleto na kayo sa team na kumbaga yung mga kulang na pyesa or aspeto ng reinforced, tingin nyo mas mapupunan nyo na siya this time?
Sa amin naman po, syempre, yung nawala po sa amin is si All. So, syempre, mahirap po yun talaga po nan. Pero kami po kasi ngayong conference is binibigyan po namin ng pressure yung sarili namin in a good way po. Para po malaro po talaga namin yung laro namin. And wala na po kaming ibang kailangan asahan kung hindi kami din po. So wala na pong reason para take back po kami. And ayun po, nakikita naman po, like kay Ate Ellie po talaga pong nag-step up po talaga siya kahit na alam po namin gano'ng kahirap yung maging ate siya, and then kailangan talagang ma-same yung energy or yung laro niya kay Ollie po, gano'n. Pero sinasabi lang po namin sa kanya na maging siya lang siya talaga kasi kaya po niya lahat ng mga pinapagawa po niya.
And for Coach Taka, both Ellie and Ivy mentioned about tougher trainings ahead of the playoffs. So, in what aspect did you make it harder or more challenging for the team now entering the playoffs?
Maybe as a Japanese, I already get used to make it for the high intensity practice. Of course, like we have our intense. Like before the game day, it's kind of low, and then, but before the 2 days or 3 days, it's kind of high. to prepare. Kasi as a team, also we are a young team. We need to maximum use the training time for building a team, make it better. So maybe for us, now it's getting high intensity, but maybe on the future, they also get used. That's what I believe in.
I think medyo up and down itong start sa conference sa inyo. But would you say na kumbaga ito na one win away kayo from semis? Parang nakahanap nyo na yung peak na gusto nyo makita from the team?
Siguro po, for us po, parang hindi lang po ito yung kaya po namin. Kasi lagi po kami sinasabihan ni Coach Saka na hindi pwedeng maging parang satisfied na kami kung ano yung nagagawa namin. Parang hindi porket na nanalo po kami, titigil na kami. So para po sa amin, hanggang di po namin nagagawa po yung pinaka-goal namin or nakukuha po, hindi pa po ito yung pinaka-gusto namin mangyari.
Yun yan, itong conference ito talaga, kumbaga ikaw na yung nabigyan dun sa opposite na role. Siguro being one of the more consistent na scorers na rin for that team, paano mo lang tinitake itong opportunity and challenge now na one win away kayo from the semis at yun sa net?
Siyempre malaking challenge sa akin yun nga, dahil nga lagi din minimension ni Coach yung malaking nawala sa amin, di ba? Nung invitational, which is si Oli. Kailangan ko lang talagang maging consistent and kailangan kong tumulong sa kung hindi man daw ako makapalo, syempre sa blocking, sa depensa, yun lang din yung pinangawakan ko, yung tiwali ni Coach Taka and yung mga info na binibigay sa akin ng coaches, like kanina sa game na parang nung first set hindi kami makapag-block, parang andun lang sila, nagba-back up sa amin. Kaya I'm happy din ako sa opportunity na binibigay ni Coach Taka sa akin and thankful ako na nagagampanan ko naman yung role ko sa team. Yun lang.
Coach, game 2 on Thursday. What are some of the areas that you think Akari still needs to work on heading into that game to close out the series?
I think our game, I think first match of this conference, Akari against Gyararis, and then now already 5 months. Like as a team compare, like improvement, it's really they're improving a lot, especially like end of this conference. So we just need to maintain our condition, and what we see on the Gyararis, I think us also, it's kind of surprise what they're doing. So that's why we just need to more adjusting for them and just more make it for better thing.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Ellie. Thank you, Ivy. Congrats.
Thank you, congrats.